Hello everyone. Let's evaluate what we have here. Remember, we are using synthetic division to deal with this, right? Synthetic division of polynomial, right? That's what we are going to use. And for the synthetic, I'm going to pick this expression here from the divisor. Remember, divisor is the denominator you have. So x minus 2 is our divisor, like this. Our divisor is x minus 2, and I can equate it to 0. From there, I have my x to be equal to 0 plus 2, and our x is going to be 2. So we got that from the divisor, right? Now, the next thing we're going to do is to draw this. We have this. Now, these two here will be here, right? Then we have x squared x and the constant, right? From the dividend, we have x squared, 2x, and minus 8. So we're going to write out this. We have x squared, we have x, and then we have the constant. So we have the constant, right? Now, what do I do? The next thing I'm going to do is to bring down the coefficient of the dividend. Remember, I'm not coming down to the divisor. Go up to the dividend and bring down the coefficient. So the coefficient of x squared there is 1. The coefficient of x is 2. And then this is the constant, right? We have minus 8 as our constant. That's minus 8. Now, have your line and then bring down this 1. The first number there, it comes down, right? Then we have 1 multiplied by 2 will give us our number here. We are using synthetic division of polynomial, right? Good. So now 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Then this 4 again multiplied by this 2 and it gives plus 8. Now minus 8 plus 8 will give us 0. Now what we have here will serve as the coefficient of the quotient. Remember, when you divide the dividend by the divisor, you have your result, and your result is the quotient, right? Good. So this will serve as a coefficient of the quotient, and this becomes the remainder. This becomes the remainder. Now, let's continue from here. Now, from here, the next thing you're going to do, remember this is for x squared. So whatever you have here is the coefficient of your x. So we write 1x to the power of 2, then minus 1. You will definitely take 1 from the power. Then we have plus, this is positive 4, so we have plus 4 as a coefficient of x. So we write x over there. Now, the power of the x over there is 1. So it's going to be 1 minus 0. Since we are expected to, we're expected to take 1 away from the power. So it's going to be 1 minus 1. And this is 0. We neglect it. So what do? We're having 1x to the power of 1. Because 2 minus 1 is 1. Then plus here we have 4x to the power of 0. Now 1x to the power of x is the same thing as x, if you must know. Then plus x to the power of 0 is 1. Then 1 times 4 is 4. So here we have our answer. Okay, so this is saying that if you divide x squared plus 2x minus 8 by x minus 2, then you will have x plus 4 as your answer. What are we saying? We are equally saying that x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by x Okay, divided by x minus 2. Divided by x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. Now, how do we confirm that what we are having here is correct? Mind you, let me explain this again. This number here is called the this expression here is the dividend, while this here is the divisor, and what we have here is the quotient, right? Remember that the divisor multiplied by the quotient. The quotient is equal to the dividend. Okay, so the divisor multiplied by the quotient is equal to the dividend. So this multiplied by this should be able to give us this. Now, let's multiply that. X minus 2, the divisor, multiplied by the quotient, which is x plus 4. Let's see what this will give us. If it does not give us this, then we are not correct. So we have x multiplied by x plus 4, meaning this will multiply the whole of this, then minus 2 will multiply the whole of this as well, x plus 4. Now x times x is x squared, x times 4, that will give us plus 4x. Then minus 2 times x is minus 2x, then minus 2 times 8 will give us minus 2 times 4 will give us minus 8. Okay, so from here we have x squared. 4x minus 2x will give us plus 2x. Then we have minus 8. Now you can now compare what we have here, what we are having right here, and the dividend we had in the expression x squared plus 2x minus 8, and we have x squared plus 2x minus 8. So we are very correct to say that if you divide this by this, you get this. Thank you for watching. If you've learned something new, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you, and see you next time.